The formation of clouds and rainfall. In order for rainfall to occur, clouds must form. Water vapor in the atmosphere has to be cooled to its dew point. There are several ways to do this, the most important being vertical uplift. Warm air cools as it rises. The rate of cooling is only high enough during vertical uplift to produce significant precipitation. The uplift rate in thunderstorms can be as high as 30 meters per second. After the dew point is reached, condensation can occur. To form a stable water droplet, cloud condensation nuclei are used. These are solid particles in the air that have a surface for water vapor to condense onto. Sources of cloud condensation nuclei are dust, sea salt, smoke, and human activities. Latent heat is released as water condenses. Water droplets in clouds need to grow in size before they fall. The fall velocity of the droplets needs to exceed the rate of uplift. Gravity causes them to fall. The droplets also need to be large enough so that the evaporation that occurs as they fall leaves behind part of the water droplet. Water droplets grow by colliding with other droplets to combine into larger ones. When the temperature in a cloud is below zero, ice crystals form. Water vapor can condense on the surface of these crystals, causing them to grow. As rain occurs, the amount of water in the cloud decreases, and the rainfall amount would be very small. Wind can bring water vapor to a cloud to replace the water that falls out. A continual supply of water vapor needs to be supplied to rain clouds in order for a significant amount of precipitation to occur. This diagram shows the process for how a thunderstorm forms. It begins with condensation of water vapor and vertical uplift of the cloud. The cloud grows until rain begins to fall. The cloud is a mass of water droplets. This image shows the names of different clouds and where in the atmosphere they are found. These two types, circled here, are the main clouds for precipitation. Sometimes rain doesn't reach the ground. This is called virga. As rain falls, the water evaporates. In dry areas, like deserts, this evaporation is faster than the speed at which the rain is falling. When this happens, the rain does not hit the ground. A rain shadow is an area of land that gets limited rain due to a mountain range that blocks the clouds. One side of the mountains gets rain as the warm air rises. By the time the air passes over the top of the mountain, it holds much less water because of the colder temperature. The other side of the mountain is much drier. The Tibetan Plateau is one example of a rain shadow. The Himalayas block the rain, leaving the Tibetan Plateau dry. Here is a map showing the average annual precipitation around the world in millimeters per year. Thanks for watching.